Hello, I'm here today to show you the new journal that I just finished putting together. After I was finished my December challenge, I wanted to use Julie's new kit, the Cardinals, so I put together this one. I had this material in my stash. I had the old vintage buttons as well, and this trim from India just arrived in a parcel from my friend Ruthie, and this journal is going to her. So it is a two signature. So I have the trim on both edges, and I have material that I had from a sample book on the front and on the inside of the cover, and the cover is the mailing bags, the bubble mailing bag. So there's a lot of cards in this one, and so I used the cards as quite a few of the pages. I put a piece of the digital, which I printed on sticker paper, and I stuck it right to the front of that card. This is one of the pages from the new digital, which should be up in her Etsy shop now. Then I just put some different papers in there. Some music. This is our Birds and Blooms. My paper bag. This is an envelope, so it is a double tuck. I just don't have anything in there. This bird book, maybe. Song page. And this is the middle of the first signature. This is more pictures of the Cardinals. I have a large journal card that came from a card fronts. Going through my cards at Christmas to use in my Christmas journal, I found a lot that had Cardinals, so I just pulled them out while I was working on the other journal. This is just an envelope I tucked in here with extra ephemera pieces, as well as all the words, and Ruthie can use that as she journals in to decorate. This is a little piece of calendar. It was just a small piece. This is a large pocket. There's a little cardinal here in the trees. That's the back of that first page. And this is the back of the card. And then the second card I turned into a large pocket with the digital. So another page from the Birds and Blooms. This is a double tuck from another envelope, and I tucked a few of the little tags in there. Another card, and inside this one I put a page from the Ideals magazine. This is the back of the double tuck, and I tucked another card front in there. The cards do make beautiful journal cards, journaling card spots. And another, this is from a calendar. I put another sticker on there that I had printed, and this is the back of that signature, and I have a large journal card in there from another card, and in here there's another journal card. And I just had this on my dresser, or my desk where I was working this morning, so I tucked that in. And that is just a small two signature card journal for my friend, who sent me a whole bunch of beautiful silks and trims. Thank you for watching.